Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will continue the paragraph from the chapter number 3 Indian Trouble written by R.K. Narayan. The full name of R.K. Narayan is Radhasipuram Krishna Swami Narayan and he was born on 1906 and died on 2001. So without any delay let's get started to the paragraph. Second paragraph, page number 17. When I was released from the lockup, I found the following consequences. Now, in the earlier we had discussed that the narrator was arrested because he had created scene. That's why the police came on the scene and arrested the narrator. So when he was released from the lockup, he had to follow some consequences. That is, several yards of compound wall to be repaired by me, wages of 50 men who ran away. They would not explain how they were entitled to the wages when they had not done their job. Joseph fee for steering the engine over the wall, cost of medicine for treating the knee of the temple elephant which had received some injury while kicking down the wall. So he had to fulfill all the demand that had mentioned in the paragraph that first he had to repair several yards of compound that had broken by temple elephant. Second, he had to pay the fees of all 50 coolie who ran away in panic. Although they had not done their job, even the narrator had to pay for it. Third is Joseph fee for steering the engine over the wall. He had to also pay the Joseph fee to Joseph, who was dismissed bus driver, for controlling the engine over the wall. And last, he had to pay the cost of medicine for treating the knee of the temple elephant because the elephant got some injury while kicking down the compound wall. So he decided to write a letter, and let's see what he had written. Sir, I was a poor man. I really could not find any means of paying these bills. When I went home, my wife asked, "What is this? I hear about you everywhere." I took the opportunity to explain my difficulties. She lost her temper and cried that she would write to her father to come and take her away. In later, he described that he was very poor and he had insufficient amount of money and was unable to pay all these kinds of bills. And when he went home, his wife asked that where was he and what she was hearing about the narrator everywhere. Then the narrator decided to explain his difficulty, that what he had faced today. After listening the narrator wife felt sudden got angry and said to narrator that she would write a letter to her father to come and take her away. Next paragraph. I was at my wit's end. I was seriously wondering why I should not run away to my village. I decided to encourage my wife to write to her father and arrange for her exit. Not a soul was going to know what my plans were. I was going to put up my creditors and disappear one fine night. This paragraph, the narrator is describing that he got completely frustrated and he was very serious and got depressed and he was thinking that why he should not leave, run to his village. So he decided to encourage his wife to write a letter to her father and go to the father's house. And nobody knew that what was what the narrator was thinking and what he was planning. He was planning that he will go, he will disappear one fine night. I made preparation to leave the town in a couple of days, leaving the engine to its fate with all its commitment. However, nature came to my rescue in an unexpected manner. You may have heard of the earthquake of that year that destroyed whole towns in North India. There was a reverberation of it in our town. We were thrown out of our beds that night and doors and windows rattled. So he decided to leave the town in a couple of days and also decided to leave the engine to its fate. Fate means destiny. But he was never expected that something unexpected thing will be happen. And what unexpected thing had happened? Like that it an earthquake had happened of that year that destroyed whole town in North India. And it feels reverberation. It means echo. It feels echo with sound in the town. And the narrator came out from his house, and what he saw, that he saw that doors and windows were rattling. Rattling means causing noise. Next morning I went over to take a last look at my engine before leaving the town. I could hardly believe my eyes. The engine was not there. Next morning, when the narrator had visited to see the engine, that is road roller, the engine was not there. So he searched everywhere and then he found the engine in disused well. Engine that covers a disused well. Disused means not in use. Okay, but the owner of the house, when he came round and saw what had happened, he laughed heartily and beamed at me and said, "You have done me a service." Okay, when the owner of the house, when the owner came near to the narrator, he saw, and when he understood that what had happened, he laughed heartily and looked at the narrator and said, "You have done a favor to me. You have done you have done a favor." And then he explained it was the dirtiest water on earth in that well, and the municipality was sending notice to close it week after week. I was dreading the cost of closing, but your engine fits it like a cork. Just leave it there. So the owner explained that the well, it had water. It was the dirtiest water on the earth in that well, and every time municipality used to write a letter to the owner to close this well, but the owner was afraid. He was frightened, so that he had to pay the cost of closing the well. But the the incident that had happened yesterday, that a road roller covered the disused well. So narrate, but there are no buts. I will withdraw all complaints and charges against you and build that broken wall myself. Only leave the thing there. Okay. The narrator tried to convince the owner, but he refused and said that he will take all the complaints and charges that had that charges against the narrator, and also said that he will build that broken wall that had broken by the with the that had broken by temple elephant, but under one condition. And what is the condition? That's hardly enough. I mentioned a few other expenses that the Indian had brought on me. He agreed to pay for all that. And what was the condition? The condition was that the thing road roller used to will stay there and cover that well, so that the owner had not the owner did not need to worry about to pay the cost of closing the well. And he also, the narrator also hardly mentioned other few expenses that he had spent it on some wall repairing, wages of 50 coolie, and Joseph fee, and cost of medicine of temple elephant. The owner agreed to pay for all that. Now he got relaxed, and one day when I again passed that way some month, there I peeped over the wall. I found the month of the wall neatly cemented up. I heaved a sigh of relief. When one day the narrator was passing through, he looked quickly at over the wall and found that the mouth of the wall was neatly covered with the help of cement. So he got realized that all the problem that the narrator was facing, it came to an end. Now he felt relaxed. So basically, this is the chapter name, that is Indian Trouble. Why the narrator had faced trouble with because of road engine, that he got the pride in Getty land. I hope all of you have understood. Any problem regarding this chapter, do comment in the comment section. I will try to reply all your questions. Thank you.